This work presents contributions on modeling and attitude control of jumping-legged systems for planetary exploration. Detailed collision geometries that allow agile motions to be simulated were created using a convex decomposition approach. The proposed controller has a hierarchical structure consisting of the body and leg planar modules. The body planner considers the torso as a rigid body and calculates the appropriate body torque that stabilizes a given orientation reference using a nonlinear MPC. Next, the leg planner generates the required leg movements. By using a nonlinear MPC, it computes the required motion of one leg to track the body torque. In order to plan periodic trajectories online, the MPC is wrapped by a finite state machine that provides specific state references and penalty weights. By leveraging the system symmetries, the torque tracking problem is solved for one leg, and then the optimal joint trajectories of that leg are mapped in the others, avoiding self-collisions in the process. Regarding implementation, MATLAB was used for prototyping purposes and Rake for verification and software testing. The MPCs are developed using Akados. Experiments for all and Yori orientations demonstrate the viability of the proposed controller. Initially, the robot is tasked to execute positive and negative 90-degree turns. In the second set of experiments, the robot is tasked to track a changing orientation reference. In the final maneuver, the controller chose the shortest path to the desired orientation by continuing to turn in the positive direction. Overall, the robot stabilizes given orientation references by performing synchronized periodic motions that are generated online. Thank you.